Robinhood vs. Wealthsimple. Robinhood. Extremely beginner-friendly with clean UI and intuitive budgeting tools. Offers advanced features like options, futures, crypto wallets, and IPO access. Wealthsimple. Managed portfolios, tax loss harvesting, and advisor access for passive investing. Simple trading experience for Canadian and US stocks, fractional shares, and integrated crypto via Wealthsimple Crypto. Offers TFSA, RRSP, FHSA, RESP accounts, supports CAED, and USD funding with options to hold USD balance via subscription. Robinhood. $0 commissions on trades. Gold plan, $5 month, includes margin access, real-time news, and up to $2 million FTX sweep, and for 5% to PY. Wealthsimple Trade. Commission-free trades for Canadian stocks, ETFs. 1.5% CAED to USD currency conversion fee on US trades unless you subscribe to $10 month USD account. Option fees, $2. Contract, core, 75 cents. Contract, premium. Withdrawal fee for instant cash, 2.5%. Thanks for watching.